So I've brewed 2 hot beverages, a cup of hot cocoa and a cup of French roast coffee using K-cups with this new Tastyle instant coffee maker. And I've noticed that there's some things I like about it and some things I'm not so crazy about it. First of all, after brewing 2 cups, the countertop is splattered on the sides, on the brewer, on the countertop. Didn't quite hit the floor. So it's kind of a messy brewer. I wouldn't really have it this close to the edge of the counter. I probably would have it back about there to contain the splatter. It took a little bit longer than our popular brand brewer that's the same size as single serve. It maybe was a minute or 2 longer than the other one. However, the coffee is delicious. It is the same wonderful, rich taste from our other brewer. So for taste, I would give this a 5. For features, I give it more than a 5. It has the ability not only to brew hot coffee or hot beverage, but also it can brew over ice, which my other one cannot. It has a bold feature, which my other popular brewer does not have. I have the ability, which is the most important to me, to vary the number of ounces. So some things I like to brew, like hot cocoa, I only like to brew it on 8 because I want it to come out tasting strong, whereas certain coffees are a bit strong for me and I like to brew it on 12 ounces to give me my preferred flavor. So I love that I can cycle this to the number of ounces. And then to support from large to small, it has this insert, which is removable, that holds the K-cups. So I use that. But then there's this really jumbo-sized one where you could use your own grounds. And with that in there, a person could brew a whole travel mug, which is really nice.